How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we're unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max in space black. Very, very cool. I'm excited to have a space black color for this one because I've been going blue and silver for several years for all the new iPhone models, and I decided to change it up and get a darker color this time. I'm a big fan of it. And the one thing I will point out, if we look at the box itself, the front of the box, the first thing that we'll notice is the dynamic island. We'll see the actual iPhone 14, just the regular iPhone 14, and you can see we've got the cutout right here, but on the Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Pro, we've got the dynamic island. So very cool that they even show it on the front for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But let's go ahead and unbox it. We've got these little pull tabs right here on the back. So there's two of them. So we'll do that one and we'll do that one right there. And then we'll put the phone down and let's get our wow factor right here for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow! I love it. It looks great. It looks absolutely fantastic. So we got the nice kind of matte finish to the back of it. So you can see it looks very, very nice in my lighting right here. It doesn't have that gloss finish to it, which all the regular iPhone 14s do. We do have that nice kind of matte finish, and it's actually like more like a dark gray. They call it space black on the back, but it's just a very dark gray, and I like it. I really, really like it. We look at the camera itself right there. They do look excellent. And we'll go around to the sides, and the sides are what we have that are that gloss finish. So we got the gloss finish all around the sides of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And let's go ahead and do one of my favorite things to do on new iPhones is take off our front sticker right here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice and fresh looking iPhone 14 Pro Max. Absolutely love it. We'll go ahead and put that aside for a second right here. Here, we'll actually, you know what, to protect it, I'm gonna put that little sticker down right here. We'll put the iPhone 14 Pro Max just right on there. We'll grab first this little booklet right here, designed by Apple in California. Pretty standard stuff as we see every year. The SIM ejection tool, that's right, mine does have a SIM card. We'll actually look on the side of it. We can see there's your SIM card ejector right there. So we put the SIM card ejector tool in there. If you're in the United States, you're probably not gonna have this tool, or you're not gonna have that SIM card tray. That's just how they've done it this year. They've got the virtual SIM cards in all the iPhones, United States, North America, anywhere outside of the United States, you do have the SIM card tray. All right, we'll put that down. Some pamphlets and stuff, which we're not gonna read. Apple sticker in white. We don't have a colored Apple sticker. Sometimes we do get that colored Apple sticker, but this time we do have it in white. Put that aside. We'll grab our little cable right here. And this one, it is Lightning to USB-C. Unfortunately, not USB-C to USB-C, and we're hoping that next year is the year that we will see USB-C to USB-C, because you know what? I've transitioned. I've gone from loving Lightning to now I just want to see USB-C, because every other product that we have now has USB-C. So, I mean, come on, Apple, just streamline it. So maybe next year we'll get that. They've got it already on all their iPads, so I don't know. I don't think it's that difficult to do on the iPhones, but I've got so many of those cables that we're not even going to use it, so we're just going to put it right back into the box right here. All of our paperwork and stuff, we're just going to throw back in there. Let's have another quick look at the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I am loving the color of it. The black looks really, really good. So if you're deciding on color, space black, I mean, I think that's the way to go this year. The purple, I mean, you might like the purple. I'm not a big fan of the purple. I like the blues that they had, and then they got rid of the blues. But the black, it's very stealth. Even from the side, I think the side look, that's definitely very, very cool. You can see that piano black, kind of glossy black, obviously does fingerprint up a little bit. You can already see fingerprints on mine, but just the back of it looks great. So I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you like this color, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.